to the first 5. Answer should be 3 on this one because 10 minus 4 is 6. And then divide 6 by 2 to get 3. We will go to the first 6 on this one. It should be x equals negative 2 plus 5. That is 3. To the first 7 this time, first 7 people. It is simply 4 plus 4, which is 8. The first person to get this one right will get 10. Everybody else will get 1. 10 million to the first one, a million to everybody else, to the first 7. That should be 10 minus 10, which is 0. 10 million to the first one, a million to everybody else. Pick a number from 1 to 10 and bring it up. Alright, time for the homework check. Need the answers to 1 through 3 from last night. 10, 5, negative 1. If you have all 3, come and get it. 4 through 6, bring those up. 2, 0, 1. Bring up 7 through 9. 8, 4, negative 7. 10 through 12. 6, 0, 8. 13 through 15. 5, negative 12, negative 3. Any questions about the homework? Pass out. And the objective for today is solving equations with the variable on both sides. Specific learning target is all signs and placements of x. Review for the test. Example number 1. What gets moved first? Minus 2x goes over to the left and becomes what? And then what gets moved? And it becomes what? What is the result of this side? Negative x. And of this side? What do I do next?
You gotta change the negative x into just a positive x and move the negative sign over.
Final answer?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. On this practice problem, all I need is the left side. What does the left side look like after you move the minus 2x? Don't simplify anything, just move the minus 2x to the left and bring me up the left side, the entire left side, and walk by with it. Just the left side means you need negative 4x and then plus 2x. That's all you had to bring up. Now bring up the right side after you have moved this over to the right. Just bring the right side, which means the minus 9, and then what goes with it. Don't simplify. The right side should be minus 9 minus 1. Now bring up the left side simplified. Just the simplified version of the left side. The left side should be negative 2x. Now bring up the right side simplified. And the right side is negative 10. Next, bring up the fraction. That's the result of moving the negative 2x to the right. Just bring up the fraction from the right side. When you move that negative 2 over to the right, you should have negative 10 over negative 2. That's the only answer I needed to see. Some of you put an x here, which is not right. And then some of you had the final answer, which is what you have to bring up now. Show me the final answer to the problem. Final answer is 5. For the bonus problem, it will go to the first 7 people. The first one gets 10 million, everybody else 1. This one should be negative 6x plus 3x equals 8 minus 2. That's negative 3x equals 6. Divide by negative 3. Answer is negative 2. Again, the first one gets 10 million, everybody else gets a million. Alright, everybody had that one right. It is 4. Practice problem number 2. Bring this up and drop it off. This should be negative 2x plus 6x equals 21 plus 7. That's 4 equals 28. Divide by 4 to get an answer of 7. This one should be 5x minus x equals negative 16 minus 4. So 4x equals negative 20. Divide negative 20 by 4 to get a negative 5. 10 million to the first 2, 5. The next 5 get 1 million each. Everybody had the right answer, which is 5. You should have negative x. It would help if I had a black marker. There we go. Negative x equals negative 2 plus 1. So that should be a negative 1. And if you divide negative 1 by negative 1, positive 1. Answer is negative 3. Answer is 4. Answer is 6. Bring this one up and drop it off. This one should be 3x plus 2x equals 32 minus 2, so that is 5x equals 30. Divide by 5, and the answer is 6. You'll have homework for tonight. We will review the answers before the test tomorrow, and then you'll take the test.